Hi, this is Vanessa from collect-sell.com presenting an antique 1900s Elgin gold pocket watch in a Crown 20-year guaranteed Philadelphia Watch Case Company case. This watch is a beautiful case, gold filled. It's got a little bit of brassing up here on the stem. If we can, right up here and down here on the ribs. A little bit on the back as well on the ribs. And up on the edges here. Got a little bit of a gouge here on the side, on the 3 o'clock side. And then some more minor dents, chips on the 9 o'clock side. Back is a beautiful floral paisley kind of pattern. Does a pretty good job covering up, kind of hiding these dents here. It's a little bit around here. They're more visible on the inside of the back, as you can see here. But as you can see, it's a 20-year guaranteed. 8025684 is that item number from the Philadelphia Watch Case Company. There's also a little bit of etching in here, some letters, numbers. It's not too big, it's not too dark, but it is there. There's a little bit right there too. Alright, let's take a look at that movement. As I said, it's a Elgin Watch Company, as you see here. Item number, serial number 10947500. It's a 7 jewel. It does have a little corrosion here. Other than that, it is working. There we go. And then this dial, it's pretty good condition. It's got some very light kind of scratches on here, discoloration, but no chips, dents, cracks, corrosion of any sort. Overall, a beautiful watch. It's early 1900s, gold-plated Elgin in a Philadelphia Pocket Watch Case Company case. Thank you for your time. For more watches, please check out collect-sell.com. We've got new stuff coming up all the time. Thank you.